As you opt that mobile phone shouldn't be used under 18, right? So what on earth makes you think that mobile phones shouldn't be used under 18 age like children? Do you have any positive point or negative point about that?
I have negative point of that because I can't support of mobile phones under 18.
Why? There's any
Because
point like
current time generation is very waste their time involving their on social media and can't utilize them in a good way.
not utilizing, but there's also lots of good stuff to utilize the phone like teaching their online teachings or the platforms. There are lots of platforms people are teaching, students are teaching and learning from them.
People in the perception of learning lots of study, but if any notification commit,
So they will got distracted.
they got distracted and they waste their time. They can't fully utilize their mobile phone. They properly, more and more time properly engage their multimedia games, movies.
You spoke very well, but nowadays you can see many children are learning a lot of things from the mobiles and also updating their skills and development. You can see nowadays students are doing their preparation of JEE and NEET through the YouTube and taking the good rank in that. Why do you think that it is not good?
You can check the screen time of that, how they are using the YouTube and how they are using the
But
Instagram.
they are preparing for their exam, so it is necessary.
But the screen timing will be the increases in YouTube, not in a social media app. But the social media app screen timing increasing, but on YouTube time is like decreasing also.
Do you have any proper data about it that you are saying that?
You
That,
can check, currently you can check any of the phone which are here, then you can check and you can analyze it.
Not enthusiast people like the student who is very good and well to their study and focus to their studies.
In a 100 students, only 1 or 2 students are there, but they are not engaged in social media.
Social media.
Lot of
Majority of the phone are engaged in social media.
But also we can get very knowledgeable things from the social media also, like
How
Instagram.
much knowledgeable things you are getting from?
It's depend on you what type of channel you are following.
But if you check the generation, nowadays generation, all are engaged in social media, they are recording the reels and just watching movie and just playing again.
I can't say that exactly. How you are saying that I don't know. But how you are saying that you have exactly proper data about it that lots of people are distracted and
You
using
check
mobile phone and
you
Instagram.
check your phone, you check your phone.
I don't use lots of Instagram and other stuff
You
like
are
stuff.
the exceptional case. You are the exceptional case that you are not using that thing. But almost you can see any
My
player.
point is that we can't say that unless you have any data about it, proper knowledge
You,
about it. Like
okay, you can check in Google, then you know that proper data.
so you are sure, absolutely
Yes,
sure
I am
about it, na?
absolutely sure that all are using the social media app. Then
They are like intelligent social media more than that studies.
yes, but
Okay, but many people get knowledgeable things from the Instagram and also social media. Even the WhatsApp are introduced the channels in there where everyone is posting knowledgeable things in that.
most of the people just watching like entertainment videos and just who are dancing like dancing videos that only they are watching. Most and at least 100 majority of the students
watching reels and scrolling through the more of the reel and they waste their time.
It's
The study time
so
they
it's
will
their
use
fault
it.
na ki that they are not learning.
That time mobile phone is very useful part in our daily life. We use mobile phones for the purpose of study and attend the online classes, so I think mobile phone is very useful.
But you can choose a mobile under 18 to mobile phone. But to children are giving a mother father mobile phone to 14 years to 15 years. But you can also speak in mobile phone under 18 to children to afforded education. Why afforded to education before under 18?
But they study like they prepare. but they prepare for the exam of NEET, IIT at the age of 16 or 17. So I think it's a useful part.
Examination coming, you phone helps board examination.
Mobile is not useful because the mobile giving the children, so children play video game, so this is very effect, जैसे example side effect, मतलब eye effect, so it's very disuse.
In the time student have to parents give them the mobile phone because there is a need of the study in this like if they have in class 10 or 12 and of course also for 8 and 9, so there is a need.
One minute. Always we try to everybody. Okay, continue.
Like you said, there is a parents have to check the time to time what they have done in the laptop and the tablet and all. But I think they have not regularly checked because if they check like 1 day, 2 day, and 10 days, but not like months or year.
No, I'm not saying.
They have to see that they if the children of theirs have potential like they score 90 or 95% their from childhood, so they know their children is studied, so since childhood so they know their children are intelligent. So if they want to give children mobile phone at 12 at 13 at the age, so there is no very any problem for because in this time there is a opportunity for the person to like PWF and online app.
Okay. PW likes this type of platform provided the education. I'm not saying to family check the form regularly, the parents check the forms regularly, and laptop check the form regularly. What activities happening in the mobile phone and laptops? I think use the mobile phone under the parents, not give the phone the personally. And if you also give the phone to family phone, check the 1 week, 2 weeks, once in a week, 2 is in a week. It's enough for the particular teenagers. Okay.
And check time to time for their security.
It's also the security. Also, it's a show of security.
But I think there are many children who don't have who have privacy, and they want their parents have don't interfere with their privacy because in this era there are children who don't break the privacy in the parent life. If we know that in what they have to done in their private life. So we don't have to interfere in that 15 or 16 age, which is in the time to mature age. So I think we have to give them mobile phone and
Yeah, but after before 18, we don't give the children, we don't give the phone to their children because
Really, the 15-year-old childs have their privacy? I think so. No. After the age of the 18 to 19, then you give them personal. I think so. The age of the 15 and 16, 17, child's mind is not too much of developed, and that mind, that child don't know what is the right and what is the wrong. Which type of creating consume they consume. That's consume whatever they consume the mobile phone. That is the wrong. What is the wrong? What is the right? Parents don't know. So what type of activity? What's the activity do at the mobile phone?
you want to let they have to check. So you want to let they have to. You want that they have to check their regularly. But I think when they are studying, if we interfere day by day, they are disturbed and they study also disturbed. Your one opinion about your children about what they are doing in their mobile phone, which are very not good for their future.
yeah, but if we check time to time to our children, so that how that they.
No, I'm not saying to check the phone too regularly. If your child teenagers use the mobile phone after the 10 o'clock when he sleep, they go their bedroom, then you check the phone. And you do not give the passwords to, you give the password, you do not create the password of personally password. And everybody know the password of the mobile, particular that mobile phone.
So I think this is important also. When you do this thing about in a week and 2 to 3 times, the children also have some threat about the parent. In any time they check their phone, so they also do not do anything which is not suitable for their age. So I think this is the
Okay.